that tree. Look at them like full of snow like that.
Caleb ain't got no power.
What?
Caleb lost power about an hour ago.
Oh no. Yeah.
What was that?
It's not getting back on until 9. I told him I couldn't get
Who doesn't have power?
Oh my gosh.
Who doesn't have power?
Caleb.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that stinks.
Dang, the snow. Look at it. Like hitting us. Oh!
Yeah.
It's like falling off the trees. Oh my gosh.
That's a lot of snow. There's a lot of cracks right there.
Yeah, look how deep that is, bro.
Here, around.
Yeah.
Holy moly.
Yeah, it does.
Beautiful.
It's like you're in Colorado.
Huh?
It's like you're in Colorado, somewhere up north.
This
That's
is
what
like
it feels
Colorado
like.
because it's powdery snow. I
It's
tried to make a
seriously-
snowman.
I tried earlier.
Right.
No,
You
Yeah.
can tomorrow after it gets a little harder.
It's just like Colorado. Look at, did
Yeah.
you see that tree just, did you see that tree just unloaded itself by itself?
Yeah.
That's what the golf cart is.
Oh. Holy crap. That's the other trail. That's the blue trail.
Yeah.
Look at these trees. Oh my gosh. I feel like we're literally in the middle of a Walmart or a Hallmark card. Wow. Beautiful.
These limbs are hanging low.
I could tell.
No, like all of them.
Big one up here.
Oh,
Just go.
go for it. Oh, you're good.
There's another one. Nope, that one's mine.
Oh my gosh.
Snow's got them heavy.
That is too
Yeah, I know. That's why they're a lot lower.
Yeah.
This is on
Look at that.
I know.
Wow. I know exactly where we are now.
No way.
Oh, are you trying to get through there?
No, he's trying to go up.
I would like turn around,
You'd be better off
dude.
putting
Dude, look how
reverse
deep
hard
that
turn
is.
wheel.
Dude, that is deep.
Yeah, I would just go backwards and then
Cut it. You got it.
You got it.
Oh,
Oh, yep.
we're okay. You just go forward a little bit.
Yeah, that is. Ah!
Oh my gosh. Love it. Dang, that is super deep. Yeah, we would have fallen in the pond.
Yeah.
Easy.
This shit's deep.
Yeah. Beautiful. Beautiful.
This is amazing.
Still gonna got the damn side by side from the camp.
Oh,
Yeah.
the tree did it by itself.
Yeah.
Daddy on pressure?
Yeah, where? Oh, where is
Got the camera?
Brad got it.
got a video.
Yeah, I'm videoing it. What you got?
Stand up.
Oh, yeah.
That's pretty cool with all the trees. Yeah.
Yeah.
Help me to ease first.
Yeah. Here, hold on to the.
I'm holding.
Okay.
Wow.
We're good. Oh,
Oh, my, you're going to get it right there.
but we got it. We're good. We're good. Wow, this is.
I feel like we're in some kind of a tour.
This is crazy. Oh yeah, I see the church. Yeah. That is crazy deep.
You can kind of see how deep it is right there. Dang, dude. Crazy. Look at the truck.
Yeah. Dude, that was fun. Thank you for the ride.
Look, the fire pit's buried.
Yeah.